My flight got delayed and then I got stuck in traffic for 2.5 hours. और मैं दिल्ली की लड़की हूँ, मैंने ऐसा ट्रैफिक जाम अपनी लाइफ में नहीं देखा है दिल्ली में. So really sorry कि आप सबको यहाँ पे वेट करना पड़ा. And now you can proceed. People of Delhi. क्या? Thank you. I'm getting very restless. I'm standing up. Firstly, I think I've always been someone who loves dressing up and who loves experimenting with my style, whether it's for a casual occasion or it's for a party or it's for a dinner. So I'm like the typical girl who loves dressing up and takes like 1.5 hours at least to figure out what she wants to wear, which I did not today. But apart from that, I really feel there's a big gap between our Indian sensibility of fashion and actually affordable women's western wear that we get in India. So I really wanted to bridge that gap, which is the main purpose of Mistaken. And yeah, that's why I kind of thought that why not, let's start this thing.
Wonderful, that's so wonderful to hear. तो ये Mistaken जो है नाम, ये कैसे पड़ गया एकदम?
एक तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And Anjana is someone who came up with it, and I absolutely loved it because it goes so much with what we were trying to say through the brand. Usually, आजकल की जो लड़कियां हैं, we all are misunderstood. I think किसी ना किसी point पे ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो, ऐसे ये लगोगे अच्छा, रात को लेट आ रहे हो, पार्टी कर रहे हो फ्रेंड्स के साथ तो लड़की बिगड़ गई है and all of that. So हम सब बहुत कुछ सुन चुके हैं. शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहनने चाहिए, ये नहीं पहनना चाहिए, ऐसे बैठो. सो आई थिंक वी ऑल आर समवेयर misunderstood and mistaken in life, and this brand I think is for that girl who's progressive, who doesn't go by rules, who likes to question at every step, who likes to bend her own rules, and who speaks out her mind. So I think it's for all the mistaken girls out there, and I'm one of them.
Wonderful, like
as always, as I said, मुझे ड्रेसअप होना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. हाँ, हर लड़की का वो एक मूड होता है जब उसको सिर्फ पजामे में बैठना है, and that's all she wants, which I also go through. But otherwise, if I'm stepping out, I really like dressing up according to my mood, according to the occasion. So yeah, fashion and style has been a part of my life since very long. I've also been a model. So I've really experimented a lot with all the different kind of looks and clothes. It can be like a white lacy A-line dress, or probably something which I think every girl has, a little black dress, which no matter how many times you wear looks really sexy. I really like shirt dresses, so I think they're very in also. So I think a nice solid color shirt dress probably. You can go as simple as a boyfriend denims, which is really ripped with like a ganji, or you can probably wear a sleeveless jumpsuit, which I absolutely love. It's really comfortable, and yeah, it's something that you can roam around in all day. Ooh, hot date पे तो बहुत सोचना पड़ता है यार. लेकिन I think maybe like a really sexy red shift dress that looks really sexy. So yeah, definitely. But you have to see where you're going and where your boyfriend's taking you. Huh? Don't get too hot for the occasion. So yeah.
बिल्कुल.
And I think style जो है, it's something which is very personal. You know, when I go into a shop, there's a reason why I like a particular top. It is a part of me, a part of my choices. So I think style बहुत personal होता है. But you know, I just wanted to come up with something जो आज की लड़कियाँ जो हैं, जो फ्री स्पिरिटेड हैं, जो इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, जो हर बात पे क्वेश्चन करती हैं, that why not, you know, they really like to wear. Since I'm one of them, I sort of thought that let me just put in my style into what I like, and I hope that you all like it. No, I don't really follow anybody. As I said, style should be very personal. So when you start aping someone or when you start following someone, you lose your own personality. So I don't really follow anyone. I think I go with what I feel more comfortable in, and what I feel don't mind, and she says what she feels, and she's different, and she's mistaken sometimes. So yeah,
that's true. अच्छा,
इस मॉल में इतनी बार घूमती थी, कभी कभी क्लासेस बंक करके, एंड दैट आई रियली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज in this mall. There were a lot of times when we used to come like सुबह की क्लास नहीं है या फिर नहीं अटेंड करनी है सपोज, तो 9-10 बजे आ गए जबकि शॉप्स भी नहीं खुली हुई हैं, बट वी आर स्टिल जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड. So I've had a blast here. So it's really nice to be here actually amongst all of you, and I can see actually a bit of me in all of you here because I used to be here all the time. बोलते थे कि you should try for modeling, and I used to say nah. But when I was in my second year, I thought, yeah, why not? You know, I should give it a shot, and that's how I started modeling. While engineering doesn't give you too much time to do anything else, but I used to do whatever I could, and I really started enjoying it. I started enjoying being in front of camera, and I think sometimes जब तक कुछ try नहीं किया हो तो पता नहीं होता है whether you can do it or not. So I didn't know whether I could act or not because I'd never done it in my life. And when I did, I felt that probably I have it in me and I really enjoy it. I think काम ऐसा होना चाहिए जो बहुत मज़ा आए करते हुए ताकि वो काम ही ना लगे. And that's how sort of that shift happened, and I just went with my mind, and yeah, convincing my parents was, you can understand, I think. But yeah, that worked out well. I think for the good.
Okay, wonderful. Kriti, I know you're very busy in your tight schedule. You've taken us this time. So मैं बस आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी, what is the message that you want to give to the young girls? जो बहुत
Firstly, there's nothing to be conscious about. As I said, whatever makes you feel the simple t-shirt and normal denims, it doesn't matter. That's you, that's your style. So just don't change yourself for someone. But with that, you know, at the same time, just try and experiment because you might find something else which looks better on you. So just be confident in whatever you're wearing. Be a little more open-minded. Don't think of people. Just look at the mirror, and if you feel, wow, you're looking really nice, then you're looking really nice.
wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for answering.